Hey guys, this is Rajiv Kumar. Welcome back to our channel Vacations Joy. On the occasion of this Mother's Day, we would like to express our gratitude and best wishes to all the mothers across the world. Mother is one of the most beautiful creation of God and the biggest blessing on this earth. As they say, God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. The piousness of her heart is beyond any description, and the devotion and selfless love of a mother towards each of her children is above any sort of comparison. Some of the very first words that any child utters are mom, mummy, or ma. The connection with these words are such that throughout our lives, in every joy and sorrow moments, we unconsciously utter one of these words. Mother's role in our life is priceless. She is with us as a dwelling God. The mother is the most distinct person in this world, who takes all the sorrows of her children and gives them the love and affection in return. A mother carries her child for 9 long months in her womb. In these 9 months, a child goes a long way from a tiny embryo to a chubby baby. The pain of a mother when she gives birth to a child is equivalent to hundreds of bones breaking together. But she embraces the pain in the hope of seeing her child and forgets it all as she holds the baby in her arms. She takes every effort to make her child happy and exerts herself physically to the greatest possible extent to feed her child. She holds our hands and helps us to walk and talk. She gives us our first kiss. She helps us with schooling. She gives us all the love she could. She continues to love and care for us without any personal desire till her last breath. She is the first teacher who teaches us new lessons at every step of our life. She lets us learn to distinguish between the right and the wrong. She teaches us to lead a disciplined life, nurtures us to be well behaved, and makes us an individual who is responsible. All these without any expectations. A mother continues to work towards the betterment of her children throughout her life. A mother plays multiple roles in her lifetime, such as a mentor, a teacher, a friend, a caretaker, and a guide. She loves her children more than anything in this world. Mothers are one of the first indications of the sovereignty of God in our lives. Mothers teach us to have confidence and belief in ourselves. It's the mothers who strain every nerve to ensure a brilliant and dazzling future for their wards. Mothers' prayers are priceless gifts, a real treasure, an earnest, heartfelt force of power that even God does not ignore. If you have a mother who prays for you, you are indeed blessed. The pivotal role of being a mother is still the divine mission assigned to women alone. A mother endows her children with a deep understanding of connection, love, self-esteem, and compassion while reinforcing the importance of human values. While no combination of words can define a mother, we still have made a tiny attempt to express our gratitude towards all the mothers in this world. Ma, although I don't remember your first touch, but today, your every touch works as a medicine for all my pain. Your shadow protects me from all my problems, and your thoughts make me forget all my sorrows. Your presence protects me from all the danger of the world. Wherever I may be, you are about each beat of my heart. Every thought of yours adds a big smile to my face. I can sacrifice all my happiness just for you. The love given to me by the whole world can't equate to the amount of love, even in your anger. You protect me in each journey of my life. I am what I am, all because of you. I exist because of you. If you were not there, I would never be there. All that I am or I hope to be, I owe to you, my angel mother. God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. On the occasion of this Mother's Day, Vacation Joys pays tribute to all the ladies out there who suffered the pain but kept their children safe and protected. It is a matter of dignity to dedicate this video to all the mothers in this world. Every mother deserves love and respect from her child. Remember, if it weren't for your mom, you would not be breathing right now. So you should thank her for that. Truly, our mothers worked hard and made sacrifices so that our lives would be better. Make this Mother's Day special for her, and it will come back to you. Show her you care by acknowledging her value in your life.